I'm Pranay. I'm a fourth-year computer science student and my hometown would be Spain. I've always wanted to come to North America to study. What drew me the most to Guelph would be the sense of community. I've been able to have a lot of mentors from Guelph. At first it was pretty tough coming from a completely different place to Guelph in a new country all by yourself. The amount of resources that you have here is very useful. So just going to the library, getting to meet new people, and everyone is just so welcoming. I'd remark game programming as one of my favorite courses, and the professor was telling us how he had to reshape the whole entire course because a new tool came out or a new programming language came out in October of last year. That's really what stood out to me and made me think, okay, the University of Guelph is up to date with everything that has to do with technologies. And I'm confident that I'm learning something that I can use in industry because it just came out. One of my favorite things about University of Guelph is definitely the student clubs. I've been part of many student clubs. Most recently, I'm part of the Guelph Student Investment Council, which is not even a computer science club, it's a finance club, but it's so much fun. And the amount of stuff that I learned from people that are so like-minded is pretty interesting.